The custom note template is the new feature of HelloNote where you can create your own custom evaluation template. To do this, you can go to settings and then click on custom note template. Then you can click on create new custom template, and then you can enter the name of the template, and then there will be components where you can click and drag. For example, um, if you would like to put the name of the template, you can click and drag the content component, and then for example you label this test template, and then you can change the heading size or header size, and then click save. For example, you would like to input or you would like to add the patient name, so you can use the text field, and then save. For the date, you can select date/time, and then if you just would like to include the date, then you have to uncheck the enable time input and save. If you would like to have um, a larger space for the therapist to type, you can use text area. So, for example, diagnosis, or yes, diagnosis, and then save. And then once it's done, you can click on save. There are two options where you can apply the custom note template. First, you can use this on an existing evaluation case. You just need to click on actions, edit, and then the custom note is located on the last tab, and then click on the drop down and select the template and click add. Another option to use the custom note template is if you're going to create a new case, and then in the profile section you change the drop down into custom, then open the case, and then click on add evaluation. And then if you can notice, there are only 4 tabs. So the assessment, custom note, treatment plan, and billing. You click on custom note and select the custom note that you just created. Click plus add. And then you can finalize the or fill out the necessary information here and finalize the note in the billing tab. That's all. Thank you.